What is going on, guys? I'm Tech here today back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to enable picture-in-picture for YouTube PIP. Let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do to enable the picture-in-picture for YouTube PIP is you're gonna go to your setting and you're gonna search up a shortcut right here. Just scroll down and you'll find it right here. Or if you delete this app, you already have this app on your device, or if you delete this app, you can go there and download it from App Store. It's free, and after you're in this setting, all you're gonna do is just make sure you allow untrusted shortcuts. Just turn it on. You have to turn on instead to do the enable the picture-in-picture for YouTube PIP. So guys, after you turn on that one, all you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the Safari right here, and you're gonna search up this one. The link will be in the description. Just go there and click the link and it automatically take you to this page. And after you're on this page, you're gonna click this case shortcut and it's gonna take you automatically to the shortcut app. And after that, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click add untrusted shortcut. Click that. Okay, and it say add it to shortcut. And after you do this, you're not done yet. Just make sure you watch the full video. After you do this, you have to download one app instead to do that. You're just gonna go to App Store and you're gonna search up scripting. Okay, script. So right here. Okay, scroll down and it's right here. Just go there and install the app. It doesn't take that long. You all need is 60 megabytes, not even a big space. Just go there. After you download the app, go there and don't open the app. Don't open the app, it doesn't matter. And after you do that, just go to your YouTube and open any video you can, literally any videos. It doesn't really matter. Let's say I want to open this one.
Today, I'm
gonna pause it, and after that you're gonna click the share button right here in the middle, and you're gonna click more, and you're gonna scroll down and you'll see YouTube PIP. After that, you click that, click OK, and it will take you to this page, which is the app that you download right now.
Today, me and the boys will be playing.
And let me just pause it, and you can see there's a lot of options like the 360p and
Among Us with.
let me just pause it.
With
And there's a 720p. It depends on your phone. It doesn't really matter. And you can change the faster, like the speed. So after you do this, and just go there and go out from the app, and the video will still be right here. You can see, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can do like this. And if you turn off your device, it will you can still play this video. And this is pretty much how you do, guys. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe and like, and peace.